province of Romblon. Legend has it, the name Batiano was originated from a sleepy resident named Ano was being awakened upon a ship's arrival. Bati! Ano!
Bati! Ano! Bati! Ano!
Ojongan Port serves as the gateway to Tablas Island, bustling as ships, balikbayans, and tourists arrives. From vendors to marble artisans, the people of Batiano thrive through diverse livelihoods. Fishing isn't just a profession here, it's part of our heritage and sustenance. The iconic rotunda stands as the symbol of connection, welcoming travelers and locals alike. With its strategic location, Batiano has become a hub for businesses, contributing to its economic growth. United by a sense of community, with strong leadership and active participation, Batiano thrives through environmental initiatives and community services. But it's the people who truly make Batiano shine, with their passion and dedication to community building. Join us in discovering the beauty and warmth of Barangay Batiano. Get involved and be part of our vibrant community sapagkat kami ay babati anuman ng sitwasyon.